Welcome to Study Loop.
This is chapter 21, problem number 76. We have a desk lamp that contains a transformer that converts the household voltage, the primary voltage of 120 volts, in a secondary circuit to 12 volts. So in part A, we are asked to calculate if this is a step down or step up transformer. Well, obviously, if the secondary voltage is less than the primary voltage, which is the case here, 12 volts is less than 120 volts, then this is a step down transformer, right? Because it decreases the potential. Step down transformer. In part B, we're asked to calculate the current in the secondary coil. So current in the secondary coil. So basically, we're asked to calculate the current in the secondary coil given the fact that the power is 45 watts that the lamp requires. So assuming that the power is the same, that the system works with 100% efficiency, if the power is the same in the primary and the secondary coil, so what we can do is basically the current going through the secondary coil, let's call it I sub S, times the potential in the secondary coil, then is going to give us the power, right? So if we want to know the current, then what we do, we divide both sides by the secondary potential. So these are going to cancel out. P over the secondary potential is going to give us the secondary current. So 45 watts divided by 12 volts is 3.75 amps. In part C, we're asked to calculate the current in primary coil. Again, pretty much same equation. Power is the same for both. So the primary current times the primary voltage is going to give us the power. So from this equation, then power divided by the primary voltage is going to give us the primary current. 45 watts divided by 120 volts is going to be equal to 0.375 amps. Now, in part D, we're asked to calculate the resistance of the light bulb. The resistance of the light bulb, obviously, the bulb is in the secondary circuit, right? So secondary circuit contains the resistance. Then what we need to do, V sub S equals IS from Ohm's law, right? We can get to the resistance. So dividing both sides by the secondary current, then we have V sub S over I sub S. V sub S was 12 volts divided by, just calculated, the secondary current to be 3.75 amps. Then we have 3.2 ohms for the resistance of the light bulb.